10th CBSE Biology, Chapter Reproduction. In this video, you will understand the basics of sexual reproduction in humans. In humans, we can see that a male and a female are two different organisms. Not only in humans, in many of the mammals we find on earth, the cattle, apes and other animals, and also other vertebrate animals show the male and female as different organisms. So such organisms in which the male and female are different are called as sexually dimorphic animals. Being sexually dimorphic, male and female organisms both should participate in the act of reproduction. Recall that humans reproduce by sexual method. So, sexual reproduction is nothing but the union of male and female gametes. So, in order to achieve this objective, male and female organisms should produce their respective gametes. So, in case of males, it is sperm, and in case of human female, it is ovum. So, sperm and ovum are the gametes produced by human males and females respectively. Now, here you can see this is the sperm here, and this is the ovum. So each gamete has 23 chromosomes, and with this half number of chromosomes, these gametes unite during fertilization. After fertilization, zygote is produced. Zygote is nothing but a single cell with 46 chromosomes. Here you can see. So there are 46 chromosomes in a zygote, and zygote is a single cell. 23 of this 46 chromosome comes from father and 23 comes from mother. That is the reason we inherit the characters from both father and mother. Now observe here. We all started our journey as a single cell. But how did we become a multicellular animal with so many billions of cells in our body? This is because of the multiplication potential of a zygote. The egg or ovum is usually a reservoir of nutrients, and after fertilization, the reserved food material of egg helps the zygote to undergo repeated multiplication. Now observe here, the zygote undergoes repeated cell division and becomes a ball of cells called embryo. Embryo consists of many cells in it. This is because of the cell division. Cell division leads to the formation of embryo, and each cell in an embryo has capacity to divide further. Hence, such cells which have capacity to undergo multiple and repeated cell division are called as undifferentiated cells. So, differentiated cells are those cells which have already lost the capacity to divide and are confined to a specific task. For example, if you take a cell of a brain, a neuron, it has stopped the division and is committed for transmission of nerve impulses. So nerve cell is a differentiated cell, whereas a cell in an embryo is undifferentiated. It means that it can divide further and it can take any function. It can become a nerve cell or it can become a muscle cell. So the destiny of the embryonic cell is not yet decided. It has the capacity to become any cell of the body. So such cells are called as undifferentiated cell. So embryo is a ball of cells. So this ball of cell further divides to produce the fetus. Now here you can see fetus is nothing but a baby inside the mother's womb. It is growing. So the growing baby inside the mother womb already has certain features, as you can see here: head, limbs, arms and other internal organs. So the internal organs and other different body parts start developing from this undifferentiated ball of cells. Slowly we can see the shape of the fetus, growth of the baby. Now this is how we develop inside our mother's womb. So we can see that we all started our journey as a single cell. Then we became ball of cells called embryo, and then the fetus. Amazing, isn't it? Sexual reproduction thus begins with the formation of sex cells in the respective individuals, that is, a male and a female organism. Male and female organisms have their respective reproductive systems which produce the gametes. Now, let us recall some of the important points. Humans are sexually dimorphic animals. It means that male and females are separate individuals. Human males produce sperm and females ovum as gametes. Sperm and ovum unite during fertilization process to form a zygote. It is this zygote which develops into an embryo through repeated cell division. And embryo develops into a fetus. Now we understand how humans reproduce. In this video, we understood the basics of sexual reproduction in humans.